A very good morning to all my lovely students. Today we are going to solve the English revision assignment for the chapter A Tale of Two Birds for class 6. So now let's start with the assignment. First question. How did the two baby birds get separated? The two baby birds got separated as wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. Both landed at different places. So basically, as the wind came, the nest broke and two of the baby birds fell down. One of them went another side with the wind, whereas another went to the opposite side. Second question. Where did each of them find a home? One of the young birds found its home near a cave. A gang of robbers lived there. The other bird landed outside the ashram of a rishi at a little distance. So basically, one bird went to the category or to the circle of the robbers that is near a cave, and whereas other landed in front of the ashram where all rishis lived. Third question. What did the first bird say to the stranger? That stranger was king, as you remember the chapter summary. See the answer. The stranger heard the first bird cry out, "Quick, hurry up, there's someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry, or else he'll slip away." So, as the first bird landed near the cave and robbers were there, so the bird learned the same thing. So, bird started shouting that, "Quick, come on, hurry up, there is someone under the tree. Come, let us rob his jewelry, his horse, and everything. Be quick, otherwise he will go away." Fourth question. What did the second bird say to him? The second bird asked the king to make himself comfortable in the ashram and welcome the king. So now, second bird lived with the rishis in the ashram. So the second bird was treated the same way. So the second bird welcomed the king in the ashram and said that please make yourself comfortable. Fifth question. How did the rishi explain the different ways in which the birds behaved? Now king was shocked. So king asked rishi that why these two same birds are behaving so differently. What is the reason behind it? So the answer. The rishi smiled and explained the different ways in which the birds behaved by saying, after all, one is known by the company he keeps. The first bird has always heard from the robbers and so imitated them. The other bird repeats what he always heard from the people in the ashram. Whenever, whatever category of friends you people live in, you become like that only. So the first bird lived with the robbers, so the wordings changed. He also started like behaving like a robber only, that come, let us rob this, let us rob that. Whereas the second one lived in the ashram with the rishis, so the second bird behaved very gentle and soft with the guest. Now over here, B part of the question says, a painting competition is to be organized in the school on the occasion of Children's Day. Students of class 6 and 7th can participate in it. As the art teacher of the school, prepare the notice informing students about the same, giving the relevant details. So this is the question basically based on notice writing. Here I can help you with one thing, that is the format. So this is the notice writing format, whereas first of all the name of your school will come, then the word notice, then it will be the date when the notice is written. For example, today is 12th or 13th, then it will go the same, 12th August, 13th August, or anything. Then your heading, so it is a painting competition, the heading can be painting competition. Then comes your content. So our school is going to organize a painting competition for class 6 and 7th on the occasion of Children's Day. Students need to bring their own material like colors. The sheets will be provided from school. The timing will be of 2 hours or any other relevant details that you people wish to give. All, but the main details should be time, where, what all is required, and if there are any prizes or not. And you are here the art teacher, so you will be signing as the art teacher. Write your name in the designation, you people write the art teacher of the school. So this is the notice writing basic format, and I know you people can do it. Go and once again with the question and try writing it and give it a try. And I hope you people have learned a lot about notice writing and the tale of two birds from this assignment. Thank you, and best of luck for your exams. Any doubts, your teachers are available to you. Thank you so much.